We have a lot of different symbols in this chapter, so we need to know what they mean. So this symbol means that an element is an element of the set. And if we put a line through that symbol, that means that an element is not an element of the set. And the dot 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 symbol means that the pattern continues. So determine whether each statement is true or false. Number 5 says 6 is an element of this set, which that's true because we see it right here. Number 6 says that 10 is an element of this set, and that is true because the set starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the pattern continues all the way up to 16. So it's every number starting with 1 up to 16. So that does include 10. So this will be true. For question number 7, it's going to be true because this set is all of the even numbers starting at 2 and going all the way to 50. And that would include 12. So it's true.